Alright, well, yesterday I was seeing all the videos about the B02s arriving, and I didn't know where my tracking number had gone, so I got out the HM1, but as you can see, it's Sunday morning and I got home from brunch to find a box at the door. And here it is. The OKMO Retro B02. This is another fantastic shiny box. And we've got a delightful instruction manual. They've really ramped up the instruction manual size and quality. There's our single page here. Basic instructions for carburetor settings if you've messed those up, and the throttle adjustment for the governor. That's a copy of a design that somebody, one of the modifications made by on the Engine-more by one of the YouTubers. So I keep saying they do. Oh, and what is this? There is an extra bit in my box. This looks like a tiny... I don't know what this is. Is it a wobbler steam engine? I think this is a tiny wobbler steam engine. I guess I'll have to figure out what that is. But we got starter, extra fuel line, extra O-rings for the, and an entire spare ignition contactor. This is a part that was troublesome on the Engine-more. I didn't have issues with either of my two Engine-mores, but I know that a lot of other people reported trouble with those contactors, so I see they're just including a spare trigger now. And lift our I lifted this out in the hopes that maybe it was a 3-part foam piece, but it's just 2 parts, so I do have to lift this whole skid out the top here. And it has a little kink in the fuel line from packing, but that has popped out already. Looks like a fantastic model already. So I'll get this open and get some fuel in it, and we'll try it out. Before we fill it with fuel, give it a little turn here. See, it's got some shared design features from the old Engine-more, but obviously significantly higher detail, especially in what appears to be carrying over the nicer flywheels from the B2 and the other engines. See, there's the same issue that I find with a lot of these, where it's just the way that the high tension wire runs. Sometimes it wants to bend out toward a flywheel, so I'll have to retain that quick. But and I just noticed there's an interesting change in the way the governor works. So very beautiful. We'll get it loaded up and try it out.